Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to link Excel chart into PowerPoint. Sometimes people would like to make real-time data chart on their presentation. For example, if the Excel data updated, then the same chart should be updated on the PowerPoint presentation also. So how can you link the Excel chart into PowerPoint? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my Excel, I have a tabular column. Based on this data, we have to create the chart in presentation. So first we have to select the entire table. Then you have to go to Insert tab. Then in the chart section, you have to click on the any one of chart. So I would like to add this cluster column chart. That's it. So now we have to copy this chart and go to the PowerPoint presentation. Then you have to go to the Home tab. Then you have to click on the Paste. Then you have to click on the Paste Special. It will be open the Paste Special window. Then you have to select the Paste Link option. Then you have to click OK. That's it. Now the chart has been added into your presentation. So now we have to check it out. If we change any data in the Excel, it will be automatically updated on the PowerPoint presentation. So I would like to change the product to sales price. So now the quantity of the sales price is 3000 and the sales price is 2000. So now we have to update on the product to sales price. The sales price also 3000. So now we can check it out. The quantity and the sales price also changed the same. We have to check it out the PowerPoint presentation. It's updated or not. So we have to go to PowerPoint. It's updated. So we can also update on the product 3. Here you can check it out. The quantity and sales price is different, but we have to change the product 3 sales price and quantity as the same. We have to add the same. Now it's updated on the quantity and the sales price are same. So we have to also check it out the PowerPoint presentation. It's also changed. So in this way, you can easy to link the Excel chart into PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.